Today I'm going to be making a video with my dogs. I have two of them. They are both adorable.
Hi.
Shoo! Their names are Pickles and Snuggles.
Snugglebug, come here! Toy's annoying.
Kimberly, stop! Shoo! Just shoo!
Snugglebug! Snuggles, get over here! Toy, please.
Let me get him. Got Snuggles! He's got a treat in his mouth. Eat your treat.
Eat it already.
Come on. Calm down. Hi, Pickles. Another doggy. Aw. So this is Snuggles. Pickles. It's not your turn. Sorry, not your turn. You want me later. This is Snuggles. He's a Shih Tzu dog. Stop it. It's okay, puppy. He is adorable, but he is really loud most of the time. If something not your turn, Pickles, not your turn. Not your turn. If something's out the window, he goes crazy barking, and he does not like to listen, as you saw earlier. I called him, he doesn't come. The only person he listens to is my mom. Okay, Snugglebug. Come on, Pickles, it's your turn. Yeah, your turn. This is Pickles. Say hi. Get down here, they can't see you. He's a golden doodle. Get back here. Pickles, come. He's a golden doodle. He's adorable. He's really quiet. And he listens better. Pickles, come. Come here. Good doggy. Come on. Sit. There. You're being recorded. Being recorded. Say hi, doggy. He's scared of new adults he meets, but if he meets a new kid, he is like all over it. He'll just licks in 2 seconds. He's terrified of my dad because my dad screamed at him for running under the shed. Come here, Pickles. Good doggy. You good doggy. You're a good doggy. So, those are my dogs. I'm going to see if I can find the cats. I got a kitty cat. This is Otherfoot. Say hi, kitty. He likes to meow a lot. Kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. Kitty. Kitty, kitty. Look, kitty. I got him. Okay, I gotta get treats for him.
I'm just going to give him the kiss.
Kimberly, stop. He doesn't like it. Kimberly! Come here, kitty, kitty.
I was giving him a little kiss.
Here, your treat. He's a really skinny cat. But he's really nice. Pretty old cat, too. He's talkative. He sees something, meow. He's laying in bed, meow, meow. That's all he does. Nice kitty. I have another cat, Toby, but he's really shy, so probably not going to come on camera. He runs away from everybody except for my mom. Sometimes he lets me pet him. Sometimes. Snuggles, don't chase the cat. See, nice kitty. And he isn't scared of people. If someone comes in the house, he just goes towards them and expects them to pet him. And he's a really weird cat too. He eats cornbread. He eats corn. He eats cornbread. He eats normal bread. He eats weird stuff. But he's a nice kitty. So that was all about my pets. Bye.